Hey y'all, I'm Chris, and this is It Worth It, y'all? And today we're coming at you with a quick canning cuisine recipe, and we are using ugly turkey. Yes, we can our turkey as well. And this is a really cool jar. This jar is a 24-ounce jar, so it's a pint and a half. It's right in between pint and quart. So we are gonna use this can for our chicken stir fry. And we are stretching the word chicken stir fry, but we're gonna make this work, so let's go. Okay, running through our ingredients. You saw turkey. We're gonna use an onion. We're gonna use a sweet and sour sauce, frozen green beans, frozen carrots, and frozen cauliflower rice. Yes, I'm getting rid of the cauliflower rice. I told y'all I was gonna do it. So, quick canning cuisine episode to use one can and a bunch of frozen stuff. So, we're gonna count it. Okay, fire is on. I've just put olive oil in. I'm getting ready to throw some onions in there. That was a medium onion. All right, what is so exciting is those are our onions we grew this year, and these are our bell peppers we grew this year. That feels so good to be able to put your own food in your own dinners. All right, we're going in with a little pepper, a little salt, a little garlic powder. I'm gonna give that a nice toss. Now y'all, we're making a big old batch because we need leftovers. So this is gonna be enough probably to feed us dinner tonight, both of us lunch tomorrow, and there might be more leftovers for lunch the next day. So what we're gonna go in is a full 12 ounces of frozen carrots and green beans. The way we can get those out of our freezer. We're gonna stir these up. Now you'll notice I'm kind of doing this backwards. I'm doing all the vegetables first because the turkey is already cooked. So if I go in here with the turkey, it's going to shred down to absolutely nothing. So we're kind of doing this backwards. So we're going to let that cook for a little bit. All right, y'all, we got some good cooking here. We've got looks like all the vegetables have thawed out. Now look, we're not going to get a good stir fry because look at all that liquid. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drain that real quick and then bring it back. Okay, that's better. See, look. That's way better. Okay. Get that going again. Now, like I said, with this chicken being cooked all the way, we're doing this backwards. So we're gonna put our sweet and sour sauce on. And we'll use about half of this bottle. I'm gonna stir this in. Then we're gonna lay the chicken in and turn the heat off. Ooh, that looks good. Okay. Let's get this chicken in there. I did drain the stock because I don't want this watery. So we're gonna try to keep the chunks nice and big. So I'm not gonna stir very much. We're just gonna do enough folding to cut that chicken in. And if we feel like we need to add another can after we eat dinner tonight, we can do that. So all that needs to happen to this poultry, it's actually turkey, not chicken, is we need to heat it through. So, and we are serving, our cauliflower rice came out and oh, it tastes amazing. The sauce level looks good on this. So I'm not going to add any more sauce. We are going to put some in a little bowl. So if we feel like we need more sauce, we can add to it. But this looks well, it smells really good. Okay, put the lid on, bump it down all the way to low, and we'll serve it up here in just a second. And this really took like 15-20 minutes. All right, I got the official taste tester. It's our onions, our bell peppers, salt, pepper, garlic powder. Then I did green beans, chicken, and carrots. And then we topped it with sesame, and then you just dumped a bunch of crushed red pepper on it. And it's in this sweet and sour sauce. So, oh, on a bed of cauliflower rice.
Good.
Is it? Oh yeah, I like the sweet and sour. All right, y'all, I think we got a winner. I think the technique is on this, if you're gonna use a canned protein, you need to go like, do it backwards. You know, usually when you do a stir fry or something, you do the chicken, saute it, and then pull it out of the pan and then do all the other stuff. I think because this is, the turkey's already canned, to make sure that you keep it in the little chunks so it looks like a stir fry, because you can see already it's coming apart. And the little bit that I stirred, it's already coming apart, but this tastes really good. I'm impressed with the cauliflower rice. All right, y'all, it's another winner. So there you have it, your episode of Quick Canning Cuisine for the week. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And until we see you on the next video, bye, y'all.